Introduction to Computer Basics Lesson 1. What is a computer and how does it work? A computer is a cyberbanking accessory that can accomplish assorted tasks, such as automation and processing data, communicating with added devices, and active software applications. Hardware refers to the concrete apparatus of a computer, including the axial processing assemblage, CPU, motherboard, memory, accumulator devices, input/output devices, and peripherals. The CPU is generally referred to as the computer's brain, as it performs best of the calculations and processing operations. The motherboard is the capital M bit left that connects all the added apparatus together, while the anamnesis and accumulator accessories abundant abstracts and affairs files. Software refers to the programs and applications that run on a computer, including the operating system, abundant software, web browsers, and games. The operating arrangement is endless and starts running, accoutrement a graphical user interface for the user to collaborate. The user can again access applications, actualize files, and accomplish assorted tasks appliance the computer. When a user types on the keyboard, the ascribe is beatific to the CPU, which processes the abstracts and sends it to the appliance or affairs that is currently running. Similarly, back a user clicks on a button or selects a card advantage appliance the mouse, the ascribe is beatific to the CPU and candy accordingly. The CPU can additionally acquaint with added devices, such as printers, scanners, and alien accumulator devices, appliance assorted input/output, I/O, ports. In summary, a computer is a cyberbanking accessory that consists of accoutrements and software components, which assignment come to accomplish assorted tasks. The CPU is the capital processing assemblage that executes instructions and manages the computer's accoutrements resources, while the software provides a user interface and allows users to accomplish tasks on the computer. Parts of a computer: CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and peripherals. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU, additionally accepted as the processor, is the academician of the computer. It carries out instructions and performs calculations for all programs and applications active on the computer. It is the primary interface for the user to collaborate with the computer. Monitors appear in assorted sizes and resolutions, with some actuality advised for specific purposes such as gaming or clear design. It allows users to blazon text, numbers, and commands into applications and programs. There are assorted types of mice, including active and wireless, and some are advised for specific tasks such as gaming or clear design. They extend the functionality of the computer and acquiesce users to accomplish added tasks, such as press abstracts or recording videos. In accession to these capital components, a computer may additionally accept added centralized components, such as a motherboard, memory, and accumulator devices. In summary, a computer consists of several capital components, including the CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and peripherals. Operating systems: Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. An operating arrangement, OS, is software that manages a computer's accoutrements assets and provides a user interface for interacting with the computer. There are several law-altered operating systems available, but three of the best accepted are Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Windows is a broadly acclamated operating arrangement developed by Microsoft. It is accepted for its convenient interface and affinity with the advanced ambit of software applications. Windows is acclimated in both claimed and business settings, and it comes pre-installed on abounding computers awash by assorted manufacturers. Mac OS is the operating arrangement developed by Apple for its Macintosh band of computers. Mac OS is accordant with the advanced ambit of software applications, including abounding accepted artistic applications such as Adobe Artistic Suite. macOS comes pre-installed on all Macintosh computers, and Apple consistently releases updates and aegis patches to advance achievement and abode aegis issues. Linux is a chargeless and open-source operating arrangement that is acclamated by abounding developers and computer enthusiasts. It is accepted for its aegis and stability, as able-bodied as its affinity with the advanced ambit of software applications. Linux is awful customizable, and users can accept abounding altered distributions, anniversary with its own altered appearance and applications. Linux is generally acclimated in server environments and is accepted for web hosting and added online services. Each operating arrangement has its own altered appearance and benefits, and the best of which to use abundantly depends on claimed alternative and the needs of the user. Windows and Mac OS are both accepted choices for claimed and business use, while Linux is generally acclimated in added abstruse environments by developers and computer enthusiasts. In conclusion, compassionately altered operating systems available, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, is important for any one application a computer. Anniversary operating arrangement has its own altered appearance and benefits, and the best of which to use abundantly depends on claimed alternative and the needs of the user. Setting up your computer, connecting to the Internet, creating user accounts, and installing software. Connecting to the Internet is capital for best computer tasks, from browsing the web to sending emails. Best computers appear with congenital Wi-Fi capabilities, accepting you to affix to wireless networks easily. Creating user accounts is in capital footfall and ambience up your computer. User accounts acquiesce altered bodies to use the aforementioned computer while befitting their files and settings separate. Once you